On the climate. Forests are home to many animals and birds. The green plant also means protecting nature by planting more trees, protecting forests, and reducing pollution. We should not also waste water, cut trees unnecessarily, and pollute the environment by caring for plants and trees for our future generations. Wow, wonderful! How will you protect our Earth? Can you explain? We can protect our Earth by taking measures like to avoid pollution and use natural resources. In that, we have green energy sources. Energy. Solar energy is the energy we get from the sun. The sun, the sun is a natural source of heat and light. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. Electricity which we can use in our homes, schools, buildings, and offices. Uses of solar energy. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. In solar cookers to cook food. In solar heaters to heat water. And in street lights and traffic. Advantages of solar energy. Solar energy has many benefits. It is a renewable source of energy and will not get exhausted. It reduces electricity bills. It reduces our dependence on fossil fuels like coal and petrol. It is eco-friendly and safe for our planet. Disadvantages of solar energy. However, solar energy also has a few disadvantages. Solar panels are expensive to install. Solar panels are dependent on sunlight that cannot be used properly on rainy or cloudy days. Solar panels takes large area for installing. Even though solar energy has some disadvantages, its advantages are much greater. By using solar energy, we can save energy and protect our environment. It is one of the best solutions for a clean and green future. Wind energy. Wind energy is energy produced by moving it. Windmills are used to convert wind energy into electricity. Uses of wind energy to generate electricity, to pump water from wells, used in windmills to green grids, used in street lights and small power units. Advantages and benefit of wind energy. It is a renewable source of energy. Does not cause pollution. Wind is freely available in nature. Help reduce using of fossil fuels. Eco-friendly source of the environment. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is the energy we get from heat. We get thermal energy from the sun, fire, burning fuels, and hot objects. Uses of thermal energy. Used for cooking food. Used for heating water. Used in factories to produce goods. Used in power plants to generate electricity. Advantages of thermal energy. Easy to use and available. Helps in daily activities like cooking and heating. Can produce a large amount of energy. Disadvantages of thermal energy. Burning fuel. Burning fuel causes air pollution. It can be expensive. It may harm to environment. wonderful message about natural resources usage. This was. Do you know what is triple R? Triple R, yeah, I love the movie.
Ma'am, please play the first audio.
Sure, ma'am.
கருந்தோல் கும்பலோட பட்டி காட்டு கூத்த காட்டு போடு நம்ம தாளமுள்ளு பொட்டு நாட்டு கூத்த காட்டு சிலம்பாட்ட சுத்தி காட்டி காத்த ரெண்ட வெட்டி காட்டி சண்டை கட்டு காலையாட்டு கூறு கொம்பில் குத்தி காட்டு நாலு காலு நாலு தோல் மிரட்டி தூளு கிளப்பி காட்டு ஏ பாட்டங்கூத்து ஏ பாட்டங்கூத்து ஏ பாட்டங்கூத்து நாட்டு 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 கூத்த காட்டு நாட்டு 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 கூத்த காட்டு
Oh no, Miss Vaz. Triple R means reduce, reuse, and recycle. Oh, I didn't know. Daily, we generate a lot of waste at home, school, and public places. If this waste is not handled properly, it can cause harm to our environment. Therefore, we must learn how to handle waste in a responsible way. Segregation of waste. Segregation of waste means separating waste into different types. Mainly, this is divided into wet waste like food waste, vegetable waste, fruit waste, etc. Dry waste like paper, plastic, glass, and metal. Refreshments. Green means glass waste. Orange means e-waste. Blue means paper waste. Green means metal waste. Red means plastic waste. And yellow means organic waste. When waste is wet waste can be turned into compost and dry waste can be recycled. When waste is segregated, it becomes easier to manage and reduces pollution. Reduce. The first and most important step is reduce. Reduce means avoiding waste and using natural resources. We can avoid waste and use natural resources by following these rules. Avoiding plastic bags. Go with eco-friendly material. Buying only what we need. Saving food and not wasting it. Reducing waste helps save natural resources and protect our planet. Reuse. Reuse means using things again instead of throwing them away. Using old bottles for storing water. Decorative items. Using old clothes as cleaning clothes. Fancy wall hangings. Etc. Using rice husk, maize waste and sugarcane waste can prepare daily household items which can be decomposed and are not pollutants. Third step. Third step is recycle. Recycle means converting waste materials into new products. Paper, plastic, glass, and metal can be recycled. Recycling saves energy and reduces pollution. But following the segregation of waste. recycle. We can make our surroundings clean and green. Small steps taken by all of us can make a big difference. So, let us promise to make our life a better place to live.
Please play the last song. Second audio, please.
Humans have an impact on the earth, land, water, and air. But we can make a positive impact on the earth if we show it a little care. When we reduce, reuse, and recycle, it helps the earth. When we reduce, reuse, and recycle, it helps the earth. Reduce means we use a little less. Reuse means we use it more than once. And recycling means we use old items to make new ones. When we reduce, reuse, and recycle, it helps the earth. When we reduce, reuse, and recycle, it helps the earth.
Rosie, ma'am. Thank you, HPS SR Nagar. Very well done. The topic was represented well. One inclusivity was also there, that you included energy part also in Green Planet. How we can use that thermal energy and all these things, and how the props you have prepared, they all are really good. And you included music part, wonderful props that you are showing us, that all are really marvelous. All the best to all the students. Thank you. Keep it up.
Very well done, all of you. Very nicely showcased each and everything. The props, wonderful props, explaining each and everything. Yes, the solar system and the thermal part was very much, you introduced that in this returns, recycle and all, which was very fantastic. And you all have showcased each and everything in a very great manner. So thank you so much for your lovely performance, and your hard work does speak. All the best.
Hello, children. I like the space that you have utilized to showcase all the models. What I have loved that your confidence level, that was great. The delivery, also the way you explained all the things was nicely done. Overall, the whole performance was fantastic. Best wishes to each and every student. Great work.
Such a nice performance, SR Nagar. Thank you so much for joining. Now, next we have AHPS Badangpet
Thank you so much, ma'am.
5141, and their topic is Seasons of the Year.